Hi, it's Woody Huffines with NerdsToGo in McKinney and Frisco, Texas with your Nerd Nugget of Knowledge for today. So, the Nerd Nugget of Knowledge for today is, don't reuse your passwords. Every website should have a unique password. In other words, don't have duplicate passwords across any websites. Your password should be 10 to 12 characters long. It should include letters, both upper and lowercase, numbers, and special characters if the website allows it. The nerdy reason that you don't want to reuse passwords is because of botnets and botmasters and credential stuffing. But think of it this way. If you had one key that opened all your cars, your front door, your back door, your boat, your RV, your storage unit, and your office, and you lost that key, you'd lose control of everything in your life. It's the same thing with passwords. If you use passwords on multiple websites and one of those websites loses your password through a hacking event, then your password is out there, and if it's been used on multiple websites, bad guys can use that information to steal your accounts or use your accounts or buy things on Amazon.com with your accounts. So, how does a botnet work? A botnet is a network of robot computers, like 30,000 computers. And the way this happens is, for a credential stuffing attack, a botmaster goes onto the dark web and he buys a credential database and then programs his botnet to try each of those passwords, let's say 30,000 passwords, on 150 or 200 different websites. And there are websites of value. One that might store your credit card so they could order things. The way that works is, if a single computer tried 30,000 passwords against Amazon.com, Amazon would figure out something was going on. If 30,000 different computers try to log in once, they don't. There was a security research firm that did the research on this a couple of 3 months ago, and they found out that for a $550 investment, a credential stuffing attack can net $20,000. That's why they do it. That's why you shouldn't ever reuse your passwords. I'm Woody Huffines with NerdsToGo in McKinney and Frisco, Texas.